Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your speaker is not working on your Nokia 5. If your speaker doesn't seem to work, the first step you should take is to try and check if you have your volume set at above 0. You could do so by tapping on the volume up button and then the settings icon, or by going into settings, then sound. Now here you can try increasing the volume to try and get your speakers to work. However, if your speakers still don't seem to work, the next step you could take would be to try and check if maybe your speakers aren't blocked. They are visible right here. You could try cleaning them with a soft brush, just make sure not to push anything in there, or you might end up damaging them. The next step you could take would be to try and disable Bluetooth. Right here, if Bluetooth is enabled, you can turn it off by tapping on it. However, if Bluetooth is disabled and the speakers still don't work, you could try checking first if your system is up to date. You can do so by going into system settings and then system update. If your system is up to date, however, the next best step would be to try and reboot into safe mode and check if maybe your speakers work there. To do so, tap and hold on the power button, then hold the power off option and click OK on reboot to safe mode. Once you do, it will restart your phone, and it will, when it turns on, it will be in safe mode, where most third-party apps will not be working. However, I will not do this because it would take too long. The next step, if that does not end up working, would be to go into settings, system, and try possibly going into advanced, reset options, and performing a factory reset. Though that should be your last resort option, as it will delete everything on your phone. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.